Black coffee can be a helpful addition to a weight loss plan due to its low-calorie content, metabolism-boosting properties, and appetite-suppressing effects. Here's a simple black coffee recipe and tips on using it for weight loss effectively. Simple black coffee recipe for weight loss ingredients. 1. 1 cup of water. 2. 1–2 teaspoons of freshly ground coffee, or instant coffee. 3. Optional. A pinch of cinnamon or a dash of vanilla extract, for flavor, no added calories. Instructions. 1. Boil water. Heat 1 cup of water in a kettle or saucepan. 2. Add coffee. Add 1–2 teaspoons of ground coffee to the boiling water. 2. Stir well. 3. Brew. Let the coffee brew for 2–3 minutes, if using ground coffee. 3. For instant coffee, this step is skipped. 4. Strain, if needed. If using ground coffee, strain the coffee into a mug. 5. Enhance flavor, optional. Add a pinch of cinnamon or vanilla extract for a subtle, calorie-free flavor boost. 6. Enjoy. Drink your coffee black without sugar, milk, or cream. How black coffee helps with weight loss. 1. Boosts metabolism. Black coffee contains caffeine, which can increase metabolic rate and fat burning. 2. Suppresses appetite. Drinking black coffee before meals may reduce hunger, helping you eat less. 3. Low in calories. A cup of plain black coffee has only 25 calories, making it a great drink for a calorie deficit. Tips for using black coffee in your weight loss journey. 1. Drink in moderation. Limit to 1–2 cups per day to avoid side effects like jitteriness or insomnia. 2. Avoid additives. Skip sugar, syrups, or high-calorie creamers that can add unnecessary calories. 3. Time it right. Drink black coffee in the morning or 30 minutes before a workout for an energy boost. 4. Stay hydrated. Balance coffee intake with plenty of water to avoid dehydration. 5. Combine with a healthy lifestyle. Black coffee works best when paired with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Would you like help with other weight loss recipes or